In this video, I'm going to show you how to modify, I'm going to show you some basic commands on how to modify the coordinate system in an AutoCAD drawing. So by default, every AutoCAD drawing has the default WCS coordinate system. That's World Coordinate System. Um, and that's fine for most sort of land surveying applications or engineering jobs, but sometimes you do need to draw more complex shapes if you're creating an object or a model for you to 3D print or trying to represent 3D objects, 3D solids. So that's when you might want to modify your UCS. So this is what I've already drawn, these two circles. You can see when I rotate around, they've been drawn in the XY and the XZ plane. And I'm just going to show you how to redo that. So I'm just going to delete everything, just return to my top view, type in circle, select the middle, and then just 5 for the radius. All right, and then to modify the UCS, so we can draw that circle that's going vertical along that XZ plane. We'll need to modify the UCS. So just holding Shift and the middle button, I was able to rotate around just to see the front of the cube. And I'll click front to snap to it. Type in UCS to bring up the UCS command. I'm going to type in view. That'll change the coordinate system to what the current view is. So now you can see the top has been changed. So this we are now looking not at the front now, but the top. Type in circle, and I'm just going to draw a circle from the middle, same radius. When I hold Shift and the middle button, rotate around, you can see what I've drawn. So to restore the UCS back to what it was, simply just click in that drop-down list and select WCS there, or you can type in UCS and press W for worlds. If you're wanting to change the UCS to something that wasn't just square to the current WCS, I'll just draw a line at an angle to the plane. If you wanted the UCS to be perpendicular or normal to this line, then to do this I do a little bit of drawing. So we'll just change the color of the line so I can see what I'm drawing. Just draw a line over the top of the other one, and then rotate it 90 degrees. And then I'm just going to turn ortho back on because I'm going to draw a line. It's going to be vertical. All right, so you can see what I've drawn. Just looks like the XYZ axes. So now we just type in UCS. We specify the origin, which is going to be at the start of that red line. Our x-axis is going to be down this line. Our XY plane will be, well, you just got to specify a point on the plane, so it'll be there. And if we then now we can see as we rotate around, the top of the drawing is now going to be normal or perpendicular to the direction and start of that line. So they're just some basic commands on how you can modify the AutoCAD UCS or the AutoCAD coordinate system. Hope you found this useful. Thank you.